Woo-wee, it's coming down pretty good. Look at the cross. That's the cross at the rodeo ground. Woo-wee. There's the front yard's all soaked. Coming down from the rodeo grounds pretty good. So it's not just up the canyon, Soldier Canyon, it's also from behind the rodeo grounds. Coming off that backside. Ah, my sock is slipping. Son of a bitch. I'm also walking funny because that elk, when he threw me around the other day, I'm still sore. Yeah, it's coming down pretty good. I'm talking about the river. Like that, yeah. Just record like that. Yo, what up, dude? Just chilling with my boy Ike. What up, dude?
What it do? What it do?
Just a little snippet, clip it. However they say. I know it's bad lighting, but hey, you know, what can you do? I'm still trying to upgrade, buy new shit. So stick with me. We'll see you